Marble grinder. Gotta send this off to Kevin Van Noy. Oh boy. Let's eat some food and then let's go work on stuff. Don't mind my messy desk. Alright, so what is up, YouTube? We are here at the shop today. Gonna be doing some race car things. My buddy Levi has got his car on the lift and we need it off the lift because we've got to get Whitey looked at. Whitey needs an oil change, needs the transmission checked, sort of making some noises. Got to tighten some things down. Levi has changed his car over from a T5 transmission over to a C4, so we need to finish that up and then we'll be putting Whitey on and checking it out, make sure everything's good with it because we've got some racing coming up hopefully in the next little bit. Some grudge races and some different things like that. Yeah, just wanted to document a little bit. Thank you for watching all the TX2K videos. By the time you see this one, the last one will be dropped of the actual cash days. It's taken me forever. Work got stupid whenever we got back from Texas, and so I have just been slammed trying to do stuff and going to other races, and we've got other races that are going to be on this channel coming up. So it's been fun. It's been crazy. Whitey is running pretty good. Just got some little issues that we gotta work out, some kinks, but gotta get my buttons on the steering wheel. That you'll see more about that in another video, but it's been doing good. So we're gonna get Levi's car worked on, get it out, and then get Whitey up there, and then hopefully within the next couple weeks I'll be getting the Zephyr lined out, knocked out, getting the suspension done, taking it down to Chris, and we're going to start doing some stuff to it. So yeah, that's going to be it for right now anyways. So let's get to working on some Mustangs. So what we got going on out here? Fun stuff. Yeah. What all? Let's see, transmission.
Yeah, it's in.
It's in.
I think I gotta lower it down to get these cooler lines off though.
Oh man.
It should just be able to jack up right here. Lower it down a little bit. There's a whole bunch of shit.
I see a bunch of race car red back here. A lot of grease.
Yeah, well that's power steering.
And then we got what? We got a pretty new radiator up in here. It even says stuff on it. I mean, maybe one day there'll be an intercooler on there. Look at that race car suspension.
Well, this one wants to go fast.
Oh boy. And hopefully these are sold by the time this video posts. But if anybody needs some bracket stars or race stars, whatever they're called, shout at me, holler at me. 15 by 10 S197 backspacing. If anybody wants a T5 transmission,
World class,
300 bucks for the tires. Oh yeah, and look at that pile of junk. Bro, we're gonna have to clean up.
I planned on it.
We're gonna have to
get
man.
mad.
We're gonna have to. We've got a lot to clean up. We got so much.
Most of it's Kenny's.
Look at here. Yeah, I know, but we can clean it up too. Look here. Well, Jeff's we're going to have to clean up as well. 2 white Mustangs, one with a broken transmission, one not. Poor Kenny. One day he'll make a.
It'll run.
It'll run. It's gonna run really good, but one day.
All right, let's. So you got to get to cooler lines. So let's do that. Let's go get us some. Oh yeah. Erware. Let's go get us some parts from the local Lowe's. We never go to Lowe's. Ever. Never ever. What are we doing right now?
Getting some bolts for the converter.
You don't know what size you need?
I guess. Getting some. Hopefully getting a barb fitting for the transmission cooler lines.
Yeah, I doubt
Because I'm poor and I didn't buy
fresh and stuff. We'd rather buy Kirky seats.
Shut up.
We'd rather buy Kirky seats.
But I've already got a transmission cooler.
Racecraft. Yeah, transmission cooler you shouldn't have bought. But anyways, let's get to Lowe's. Let's see if we got anything here that we can actually use. So currently we've realized that this was a completely useless trip to Lowe's.
Those ones? The smallest ones. Which are the smallest ones?
Oh, that worked.
Oh, these ones. I'm a dummy.
Why are you so slow?
I don't know why am I so slow.
188.
Flatten it out.
I don't know how flat you want me to get it.
188.
Pick the worst possible one.
30 sensors.
Cash or select payment type.
If you show them my debit card information, they might steal my $12. Stop.
Still Alright, so this is probably gonna make some noise, but this is why we're checking, Whitey. Let's see what we got here. Whitey's got more issues